7 in the morning, and look at that. It's a full moon. Beautiful. Good morning all. Good morning people. Another nice day here. Enjoy everybody. Make the most of the weather here in London. Not raining. See you soon. Good morning people. Look at the weather today here. Look at that. It's so beautiful. You see the sky? Whoa. Beautiful. Let's go and walk and enjoy the scenery of the sky today. It's malamig today, so wrap up ang lola nyo. Maya-maya mag-gloves na rin. I can feel it's chilly. Let's go. Walk muna bago ang blood test. Oh, karot. Oh, look at that. Look at the sky today. Beckenham Place Park Mansion. Okay, mag 360 muna tayo. Oh, there you go. There you go. Good morning people. Let's go. Walk. Mag-walk. Ayan, wala masyadong tao. Oh, okay. Mag-8 in the morning. But look at that. Anyone, wake up, wake up. Ang hindi pa nag-wake up na kayo. Ang ganda ng view ko here while walking. That's the only thing that I love walking in the morning because of this sky. I don't want to miss this beautiful red hat. Saan ka pa? Oh, pak! Pak na pak! Hello bird. Good morning bird. Look. Beautiful. The only thing is panira lang yung scaffolding dyan. Oh, Beckenham Place Park. Hello airplane. Panira lang. Oh, saan ka pa? Oh, wala masyadong tao na pang naglalakad. Walking tayo, walking. The motivation of morning. Oh. The Mansion Park.